Oh man, what's up? We live? Yeah, we definitely going. We're definitely going. I had to stop here to pick up glasses, and now I am on my way to get me a badge for work. Which is, you know, what's really crazy is how things play out sometimes. I'll give you a quick thing before I get into the motovlog. Last week I left school, right? And I was riding the cow, and my classmate had a V6 charger. So, you know, I wanted to see what the charger could do. I'm always looking to see, right? We're like on this big open stretch. So I hit it, he hits it. And next thing you know, I look to try to look at that Grom flying to try to see where he was at, and my glasses flew off. So yeah, that happened. Okay, so I had to get new glasses, but then the insurance company didn't want to cover my glasses, which I was like, dude, y'all got one job to do. Ooh, did you see that? He almost ran into the back of him. Trying to fly. Jesus. Alright. And I had those events happen, so then I needed new glasses, and yeah. But anyway, so all that's gone. We're good. I got new specs. Shout out to the people that wear glasses while riding motorcycles. No, all the people who can actually see don't have to deal with none of that, but the people who can't, bro, you know my pain. Alright, so today motovlog will be all about getting pimped by the algorithm. Yep, that's right. If you don't want to watch this, I got like 560 videos you know, talking about other topics, and I'm sure I got one banger over there that you like, at least one. Yeah, shout out to the people that support me. Shout out to the people that hit that like button, subscribe, bloop bloop bloop. Alright, so what do I mean by getting pimped by the algorithm? Let's talk about this. So YouTube favors a lot of people. So if you're getting a lot of views on your video, right, YouTube will send more people there, because YouTube is a business. This is why most of your big not your big motovlog, but your big YouTubers, actually, they sell merch, they have commercials on there. Yes, they are making money off of their YouTube and their videos, but they also are making money off of advertisement. The more people watch their video, the more advertisement they can play and put in more people's faces. That is crazy. What? Vegas. I want y'all to see this. This is Vegas. This is, I don't know what time it is, but it's in the afternoon. I have no clue which way I needed to go. I think I was supposed to go that way, and I'm lost right now, which is, I guess, that's just like me to get lost. But yeah, so that advertisement money goes towards your favorite YouTuber, and of course YouTube's getting a check, the advertising company's getting a check, everybody's getting money. Back in the day, you remember those need more Ovaltine commercials?
Hey, listen, Nestle, quick!
Dad, cut out. We switched to chocolate Ovaltine.
Why?
Ovaltine's better for you. It has vitamins and minerals. Quick doesn't. And it tastes great.
It is great.
More Ovaltine, please.
That used to come on back in the day, and they had those catchy catchphrases, and people would love to hear that jingle, or that stuff like that. The what's that? My Oscar Mayer? No, my wiener something. That. Freaking dang, man, it's a lot of gravel on this road. The Oscar Mayer song, people remember that jingle. It like embedded itself in people's minds. So this is basically what's going on YouTube, bro. Like, whether you know it or not, a lot of these advertising companies, they love to put stuff in people's faces. Now, you can't control what ads you have on your channel, which is kind of like, dang, you know, but you don't want nothing crazy, but they try to pick advertising to play on your channel that kind of coincides with your channel. So if you do motorcycles, that's basically what they're going to put on your channel, like a new motorcycle or another, you know, or not even another motovlogger, but like something that deals with motorcycles. The reason I feel like most YouTubers are getting pimped by the algorithm is let their videos not show in the algorithm and they don't receive that AdSense check. You would see the pressures that is placed upon them, bro. It's like, it really sucks. And recently, me and my wife, we were going through our comment section. She's gonna make a video on it. But you don't really see all the comments that happens on your channel. Sometimes you could check your comment section, and then next thing you know, another person has commented on a video from five years ago, and there it is, and you can't see it until just now. And then it's like, dang, whoa, you know, I couldn't answer that question at the time because I didn't see it. You know, it's like that, right? But I feel like that pressure of algorithm can just throw off everything. The reason I brought up the comments is because there was a guy who made a comment, and it really was like his critique of my wife's video on book bags. He said something, it was very weird, because what he was asking for was what was in the video. So he's like, I needed to see the bag more, and it's like, the bag has been sitting in your face the whole entire video. What are you saying? And somebody tried to correct him, like, hey, you know, yeah, the video is showing the bag is in your face. It's like, we looked at your content and you had none. And he was like, you don't go to the movie theaters and tell them that I should be able to. What is this? How does this work? Whoa. Vegas ain't got no street lights. Oh my God. Anyway, I don't even know. But he was like, you know, they was like, you don't have any content on your page, but yet you're sitting here. He's like, I'm the consumer, blah, 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 blah. And that's fine for those people that's actually making money off of YouTube. But people who actually do it just because they enjoy it, they're not getting no money off of it, that's the people that just, like, I don't even know why he even bothered. Because you're comparing my wife's channel to a $1 billion company. Of course they don't care about your critique. Bro, they just spent $1 million and they done made that back. And then people want you to make certain videos just for them, like specialty videos, like you should have did this and you should have did that. Oh hell no, I'm not going left. Oh, you too, Mr. Police? Boy, what is going on today? What is this? What is... Oh Lord, we got gravel? Why is there gravel everywhere? Can I say this? This motovlog might be a little random, but I'm gonna say this. Vegas made $1 billion the first week. The first week of casinos being open, Vegas made $1 billion. Why is Vegas streets looking like this? They tax like no other here. I don't understand. Sheesh. I had to go this way. I had to go this way because of construction. Then I wanted to get on the expressway, but they had it blocked off. I don't know. I know construction companies don't personally call freaking, look how I'm riding right now. How stupid is this? I don't want to fall in the middle of that, because it's just that is crazy. That is, look at that. It's just like it's like a hole that just falls in the middle of the street. I can see the cop, he's like looking at me like he's doing the cop face. I think it's funny. He either went this way because I went this way, or he went this way because he has to go this way. But I could tell this cop is like, he's really freaking out. Like, he's hollering there. Man, what are you doing back there? I love it. I love it. But I don't look. Oh. Oh, man, I am crazy with this. But I just feel like we're missing, like, it's just messing up the essence of what motovlogging is, man. I'm sure, not sure, but I know that change is something that has to be welcomed, right? It has to be one of those things that, you know, you have to deal with. That's just life. You deal with change, you know, change happens, and you're forced to get used to it. And I get that. I understand that. I'm not mad about that. I just feel like the essence of motovlogging is gone. See, this is the thing. Bikes free your soul, right? And a lot of these big channels, once they get sponsorship or they get into the algorithm of YouTube, they just lose their essence. All of a sudden, it just become a channel about commercials. You know, this vlog is sponsored by blah 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 blah. You know, personally, as a small YouTuber, I know I'll never be one of those people because I can't sell out to algorithms. I'm not going to. Like, if the trend was to get naked in a bathing suit and ride a motorcycle, guess who's not going to do that? Me. But I do enjoy making video, and I wish more people, I don't know, I wish I had more individuals that I could relate to in the space of that. You know, you say YouTube is huge, but when you keep seeing the same type of biker, it's kind of annoying. You know, it take me back to the days of the Jake the Garter Snake, you know, Chase on Two Wheels, where people was just literally copying their name and like, yep, you know, Bill the Garden Snake, Tony the Garden Snake, Edward the Garden Snake. And you're like, what is all that? Just, yeah, I don't know, man. And it just seems like YouTubers, not YouTube, but motovloggers, just specifically motovloggers, it just feel not genuine anymore. We're painting pictures. Cinematic stuff does help. And I'm not going to play like I don't like it looking like a TV show episode, but don't sell out for commercials, because you just lose the essence of you. Now, if you're sponsored by a company that you truly be like, that's what you was using before you became big, I get that. That's cool. Got it. Understand it. But if it's one of those things like, yeah, we're going to pay you money to make videos, and you sell out to them, and then it's like, damn, dude. Then you're looking around, you're trying to judge the crowd, and the crowd ain't even there no more. Algorithms is weird, bro. And it's one of those things that nobody talks about. Honestly, it's quite scary. And I feel for those people that put themselves on the line on YouTube all the time. Because me, I could just stop making videos now and nobody would care. Not one person would say, well, okay, I might have a few people that be like, oh, where's Mr. 20 West? But it wouldn't be like a loss. I'm not sure what you gain from my channel, but I hope you gain the fact that openness and freedom should be on your mind, and freedom to think however the hell you want to think should be your way. You know what I mean? I didn't get on motorcycles to be told what the fuck to do. I got on a motorcycle to tell the world what the fuck to do. I run this bitch. You only get one life, man. Stop playing with me. But as always, it's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. So I don't know if you got anything from this, but I hope you did. Peace.